It's stock ticker AYRO.
Yeah, if you need to find out what they look like, just Google stupid pizza truck.
Google dumb fucking pizza truck.
Yeah.
All right, so I bought into this company. Hey, we're gonna do a video about them because they are also fucking based out of Austin.
Also in the area.
Austin adjacent. So we're definitely gonna go out there and take a look at them. The truck that they made. It motherfucker looks like a goddamn Tokyo pizza truck, dude. I was like, go! What did I do? Man, I fucking burned a day trade on that bitch so fast. Hey, I'm completely talking shit, not trying to disparage any company trying to come up. I love everything. I want to do more investigation, but that was my first little introduction to it.
That's my